Hi everyone and welcome to week 1 of GIT 411. This week we're gonna start strong. We don't have any time to waste. 7 weeks is short enough to cover what we need to cover. So in the first week we have a couple assignments, 3 of them, but the first 2 ones are really easy and won't take you very long. The third one will take you a lot longer. Okay, so let's see what you need to do this week, week 1. So you click on week 1 as usual, and you see all the information. So this week you're going to create a rig for your 3D character. So you are going to basically put bones and joints inside your character mesh. You're going to put them properly where they belong, just like in a real human. That's pretty much what you're going to do this week. Alright? So, and it takes a little bit of time to get used to it. It's not really hard though, so you should be okay. It's not the hardest part of the class. Actually, it's one of my favorite part of the whole pipeline of creating a rig. Have the 1, 2, 3 of the weeks, so almost half of the weeks will be on the rigging, and the second part will be on animation itself. Okay, both are very important as they go hands in hands together. Usually when you're the animator, you're the rigger, unless you are basically in a very large corporation and your job is hyper specialized. Okay, and that might happen to you, but usually later on when you get better in skills. Okay, so in the lecture this week, you're gonna have to look at the video of the rigging concept and tools. Basically, what is rigging, what tools you're gonna use during this week, and then you are gonna do so you can look at the sample biped video after that. So you're gonna make a rig for your biped. Okay. And you also have the lecture right here. Remember, there is a CC on every YouTube video, so you can see closed capture words, and I will put the transcript. I put the transcript of all those CCs right here on the shell, so you can also refer to it using a text. Okay. Now, in the book right here, you need to read chapter 1 and 2. Which basically are reviews from last semester. Why? Well, the reason is very simple. First, I want to refresh you with Maya, because over the summer you might not have used it. Second of all, I want to make sure that you get in tune with the new book. You know, the way they talked, you know, the type of word they're using, the way it's set up, and so. And that's one of the reasons I do it. But also, I do it because you might have to tweak your mesh. And that's a good other information about it. Alright, because they're specialized in animation, so they talk about things like that. It's very important because your mesh might have not finalized properly for animation. Though I checked that pretty close, and you should be okay in most of the cases. Alright, so that's why you get a little bit of review on 1 and 2. Now 3 is new info about rigging, basically. And it will cover a pretty wide area that covers multiple weeks, maybe even. Okay? That's the way the book is designed. There's not that many really good books about game rigging, you guys. And so that's the one I chose. But as you know, I'll always do lectures and videos that covers what you need to know anyway. Okay, so let's go to the assignments. You have a couple assignments. Assignment 1, you have to introduce yourself in the forum. So you go to the forum, basically, and you introduce yourself. It's that easy. Not much else but that. Okay, and you can see the forum discussion board are right here. You click on that, you open it up, you go to week 1, you know, at the bottom right there in the discussion board. Right here, you go to week 1 and you introduce yourself. Okay, your interests, hobbies, and things like that. And then you go to week 1, assignment 2, and this is the second assignment right here, where you have to upload 2 links of tutorial about Maya rigging or Maya animation. Obviously, rigging and animation and puppeteering system only, nothing else but that. All right. Thank you very much. That's your two first assignments, and they're pretty easy. All right. Now your third assignment, as I discussed earlier, is the one about rigging an actual biped. Okay. If you click on assignments right here, you will go directly to the assignments, so you can see them, and they are linked to the forum every time, which is nice. And you have the third assignments right here, which is create a complete rig for your character using Maya, bones, and joint system, the way we learn in class. And for that, I will have a video inside it to actually that I'm going to post right here today. That actually explain to you what I'm looking for and actually demonstrate it too. So you are right on what needs to be done. Okay. If you click on that right here, you will see where you submit your assignments. You can leave a comment, and it's 100 points. All right. If you want to know the grading criteria, you need to go into, where did I put it? It's right here in the welcome and start here. Be careful, it's at the bottom right there in a little link. It's not a video because it's just a link, and you can click on it and you will see all the criteria. They open after that, and you will see the criteria that you need to do for your grading. Okay, that's pretty much it for this week. Make sure you start early. Make sure you also post in Forum 1 screen capture of your biped work, the rig obviously for your biped, and that's pretty much it. Don't hesitate to ask questions in the forum. I'll be glad to help you. Frankly, last class I didn't get enough questions. I thought you guys were gonna